Welcome to all. Myself Dr. P.R. Krishnaveni. Today we are going to discuss about gaseous fuels. Earlier videos we had discussed about various solid fuels and liquid fuels. So from today onwards we will discuss about gaseous fuels. In gaseous fuels mainly we will discuss today on natural gas and CNG, compressed natural gas. So coming to the classification of gaseous fuels. Gaseous fuels are basically classified into two types: primary fuels and secondary fuels. Example for primary fuels is natural gas. Same like coal and petroleum, this natural gas also occurs in the interior of the Earth's crust. Coming to the secondary fuels, examples are producer gas. Producer gas means composition CO plus N2. Water gas. Water gas means CO plus H2. Coal gas. Coal gas means hydrogen H2 plus methane plus CO2. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, and CNG, compressed natural gas. Natural gas, it is a mixture of paraffinic hydrocarbons in which methane is the main constituent. It occurs in the gas field under the crust of Earth and also in association with petroleum in oil field. Natural gas occurring with petroleum in oil wells is called wet gas. Natural gas associated with crude oil is called dry gas. So natural gas occurring with petroleum in oil wells is called wet gas. This wet gas has recoverable condensate, more than 50 gram per meter cube. Natural gas associated with crude oil is called dry gas. This dry gas has less recoverable condensate. It is less than 15 gram per meter cube. Coming to the chemical composition and properties of natural gas. So the main composition of natural gas is methane, ethane, next some other propane, butane, pentane, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. So coming to the composition of methane in dry natural gas is 96.91% and in wet natural gas is 77.22%. And composition of ethane in dry natural gas is 1.33% and in wet natural gas is 11.18%. And the composition of propane in dry natural gas is 0.19% and in wet natural gas is 5.83%. And composition of butane in dry natural gas is 0.05% and in wet natural gas is 2.34%. And pentane composition is 0.02% in dry natural gas and 1.18% in wet natural gas. Composition of carbon dioxide is 0.82% in dry natural gas and 0.80% in wet natural gas. And composition of nitrogen is 0.68% in dry natural gas and 1.39% in wet natural gas. Coming to the properties like gross calorific value. Gross calorific value of dry natural gas is 9000 kilocalorie per Newton meter cube and wet natural gas is 11,200 kilocalorie per Newton meter cube. Specific gravity of dry natural gas is 0.547 and wet natural gas is 0.741. So, these are the some of the properties of dry and wet natural gas. Coming to the uses of natural gas. Natural gas can be used as excellent domestic fuel and can be conveyed long distances through pipeline. Natural gas is used in making water gas. Already I told you the composition of water gas is CO plus H2. It is used in the production of methyl chloride, methyl alcohol, ammonia, etc. by synthetic process. Raw material for the manufacture of carbon black. That means natural gas can be used as raw material for the manufacture of carbon black. This carbon black is used as a filler for rubber. Gas turbine also use natural gas as a fuel. Compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas is made by compressing natural gas, which is mainly composed of methane to less than 1% of the volume it occupies at standard atmospheric pressure. It is environmentally clean alternative to those fuels which produce toxic pollutants. In some metro cities, CNG vehicles are used to reduce pollution. So, this is the CNG cylinder. Advantages of compressed natural gas. CNG is a better fuel than petrol and diesel. Why it is better fuel than petrol and diesel means due to high ignition temperature. Operating cost and production cost is low. CNG releases least pollutants like CO and unburnt hydrocarbons. Its combustion is more regular. Combustion is more regular and it disappears in atmosphere at STP, at standard temperature and pressure. Spark plug of CNG engines are not carbonified and have long life. Anti-knocking agent is not required for CNG. Why means it has high octane number. So, due to high octane number, there is no need to use anti-knocking agent. There are some disadvantages of CNG. CNG tank require large space. It requires tank space 5 times higher trunk space for comparable energy storage. It has faint odor. That's why leakage can't be detected. Response to blending is poor. Refueling network of CNG is very expensive. CNG driven vehicles have shorter operating range. In the next video, we will discuss about few more gaseous fuels. Thank you.